Time for kids. The right trees. Planting native trees is good for the planet. Let it grow. Adaya Joshi looks out at eucalyptus trees. They were planted to replace a forest. Eucalyptus trees don't grow naturally here in India. Native trees should have been planted, she says. Joshi started the Right Green. It teaches people about biodiversity and growing native trees. See biodiversity. Planting new trees sounds like a good idea, she says, but what people are doing in many places is not restoring forests. They're just replanting. There's a difference. Replanting problems. Trees are important to the health of the planet. They help clean the air, but many trees have been cut down. Some efforts to replant trees make things worse. This happened in Chile. In South America, big companies cut down forests for timber. Then they replanted trees, but they used the wrong kinds and created tree plantations. They're not really what we imagine a forest to be. Robert Heilmeyer says, these trees are more. This is a native forest in Chile and South America. Many forests like it are now timber plantations. Like a crop, Heilmeyer is a professor. He says tree plantations are not as good as forests are at cleaning the air. Restoration done right. Restoring native forests should benefit people. That's according to Bernadette R. Akwiri of the World Resources Institute Forest Program in Africa. People are a part of the environment, she says. One WRI program will restore thousands of miles of forests by 2030. Joshi says planting native trees fights climate change. People are working together to do the job right by Karina Fawn. Benefit, power words. Benefit, verb, to be useful to. Native, adjective, occurring naturally in a place. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of living things in a habitat. An environment needs diversity. Diversity means balance. For example, insects carry pollen from plant to plant. Plants need it to make seeds. The seeds grow into plants. Plants provide food for insects. Insects become food for frogs. You can help protect biodiversity. Learn about the plants and animals in your area. Join efforts to plant native trees. Adaya Joshi teaches a class about native plants in India. Native trees have been planted on this farm in Africa. They help protect biodiversity and fight climate change. The trees we see. What kinds of trees are near you? There are about 1,000 different tree species in the United States. These are four of the most common. They are native to the U.S. White oak. The white oak is large and strong. It can live for 300 years. Its acorns are an important food source for turkeys, woodpeckers, and rabbits. Deer eat some parts of these trees too. Red maple. The red maple is a very common tree in the eastern North America. Its leaves turn red in the fall. Squirrels eat its seeds. Deer and rabbits eat its leaves and shoots. Sugar maple. The sugar maple is known for its fall colors. It's also known for its sap, which is used to make syrup. White-tailed deer eat its twigs and leaves. Porcupines eat its bark. Douglas fir. The Douglas fir is a popular kind of Christmas tree. It's evergreen, so it doesn't lose its needles. Birds, squirrels, and rabbits eat its seeds. It provides shelter for many animals.